Today I'm going to go over salmon nanban with apples on apples. Going over the sauce: pear, apple, lard, butter, stock, pepper, salt, curry powder, and bay leaves. Let's cut up the fruits real quick. Cut it in half, into quarters, take the seed out. We can leave the skin on. We're going to drop it in water so it doesn't oxidize. Same thing with the apple, cut it into quarters, take the seed out. We can leave the skin on again. We're going to drop it in ice water, make sure it doesn't oxidize. We're going to take it out of the water, make sure there's not a lot of moisture, so when I hit it in the pan, this doesn't happen. I'm going to take it off the heat so the flame goes down and cook it at high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn it down to medium high and let it roast. Let's add the lard or duck fat, then add the curry powder right on top. I like S&B curry powder. It's my favorite one. It's the one that a lot of Japanese households grow up with. I have the link below so you can go ahead and get one for yourself. Add some bay leaves, put the lid on, let it cook for another 20-30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take the bay leaf out, put it in the blender, and blitz it up until it's completely smooth. Add a pinch of salt. Next up is the marinade: stock, apple, honey, soy sauce, green onion, bonito flake. Boom. Turn that into juice. The original version consists of soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, kombu, and bonito flakes. For the sweetness, I substituted it with a little bit of honey, the vinegar with the sour apple acidity. Added bonito flake in after it came to a boil. Strain it, push it out, and there we go. We're going to start cooking our green onions. Get a nice char on both sides. Once it's brown and ready, we're going to go ahead and drop that in the marinade while it's hot. Next up is a light salad: apple slices and green onions. Boom, done. Vinegar, salt, pepper, mustard. Alright, get a bowl. We're going to add some mustard right inside, pinch some salt, add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, black pepper, mix it up, add a little bit of oil, and there we go. Add apples, green onion, toss it up, let it set for a little bit. Alright, the salmon part. We're going to score the top, cut it in half. I'm going to do one with the skin off and one with the skin on. That's completely up to preference. I personally like it with the skin on. Toss it in potato starch or cornstarch. Drop it in the oil at around 350 to 375. Look at those bubbles, that's what you want to be seeing. Take it out of the oil and drop it in that liquid while it's still hot. Toss it around, let it sit, let it marinate. Alright, let's get into the plating. Savory apple curry sauce, the marinated salmon, apple green onion mustard salad. I had some kale flowers, so I'm going to put that right on top. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.